Alexander Newlands was an English chemist who worked on the development of the periodic table. Newlands was one of the first to detect a periodic pattern in the properties of the elements and anticipated later development of the periodic table law.
One of the things that I propose is the properties chemics in the elements which are arranged by their atomic mass that it repeats with certain periodicity. These late have demonstrated that it have a pattern every 8 elements. This is known as the law of octaves of Newlands. One of the first things that I propose is the fact that the elements can be arranged into an order. This can be related with the atomic mass, with the properties of the elements, and we can observe the elements according to the atomic weights that are increasing. Also, another thing is that I put the properties of the elements in a specific order. My law of octaves consists in that the elements have an order that is increasing according with their atomic weight. The octave elements have properties very similar to the first one. The 9 to the second one, and like this.
In 1864, he discovered the elements were arranged in order of atomic weight, and there was a periodic similarity every 8 elements.
The discoveries that I proposed imply a faster development for the whole theory and means that we will have a further basic knowledge over the periodic table.
Alexander Newlands simplified the life for different scientists around the world by 4 years, by his theory of octaves. 5 years later, another scientist, Dimitri Mendeleev, created a new theory that was more useful and easy to understand.
Although the law of octaves that discovered Newlands is good, it can be applied anymore in today's lives, because the following elements that are arranged in the periodic table don't have like any relationship or any similarity with the corresponding ones according to the law of octaves. The chemics are in function of their atomic weight. This was something important to the scientists of the periodic table for the element. John Newlands, did many contributions to the world of science. For example, I helped the development of the periodic table in the chemics elements. And I not only did that, I also relationate the atomic weight with the properties of the elements. And that's not all. One of the things that I left was white spaces in the periodic tables for the elements that were found through the years were put in them.